Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So the embellishment box has arrived just now. Yeah. So this time also they have sent a pink box like last time, and I have been very happy with the embellishment box, I must say, this time. So their theme this time is Greek Goddess June edition. This is the card that they sent with their boxes, and I'll now show you my contents. So the first thing that they've sent is a 3-layered necklace, which is like this. So this is the first layer, which is a leaf kind of a thing. Then there's a stone, and then there's a tassel. I had a similar necklace from Bling Bag also, but like it was just a single necklace like this. And there are stones. There is a bigger stone and a leaf. And this actually reminds me very much of Troy, like the Helen of Troy wearing such necklaces or with these stones and everything, with these crude stones. And I'm really excited to try this, to style this. Really love this necklace. The second thing that they have sent is also something that I love even more. It is these set of earrings. They are so pretty. Actually, when I opened the embellishment box, this is the first thing that I saw, and I was like, wow. This you can dress. These of course Greek inspired, but you can dress it up so well with your Indian attire that I'm really happy with this. So this is the second piece. Again, a very thumbs up piece. The third piece that they have is actually a mang tikka or a headband, as they call it. I'll just keep it down, keep the necklace down. So this is the mang tikka kind of a thing. This is the middle section, this and these two other things. So this is how the mang tikka is going to look. There's this middle partition and a circle kind of a thing. This is also looking very nice, and somehow the Greek inspired jewelry will go really well with our Indian attire also. So I'm really happy to receive this as well. I can actually style it with some of my traditional looks, maybe my sari or my lehenga or something like this. I'll use it with. So I'll take it off now, of course. And the fourth thing is also a very experimental piece. It's an armlet. The first time when I saw it, it seemed to be a bracelet, but it's actually an armlet because it's too dhila, too loose for the wrist. So this is the armlet. It's a very basic kind of an armlet. It's an okay kind of a piece. Not very happy with it, but of course great to have. I actually don't have any armlets in my jewelry wardrobe. So this was Embellishment Box. Embellishment Box is a fashion jewelry subscription service retailing for $1,200 for a month. And I must say I'm really happy with their Greek Goddess edition this time. So I'll really recommend you to subscribe to it. These are all my 4 pieces. Do tell me what you got in your embellishment box this month and how you liked it. Until next time, bye.